Okay, so a Fibonacci sequence is a sequence that follows a special type of rule. Okay, each term is made up or generated by adding the two terms in front of it. So if you have a look at this number 1 here comes from adding 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is 1. This 2 comes from adding these two numbers together. Okay, so that's 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. This 3 comes from adding these two numbers together. So that is 2, 1 add 2, and that's going to give us 3. Okay, this 5 comes from these two numbers being added together. So I've got 2 add 3, and that's going to give us 5. So in order to get these terms now, let's say I want 3 more in the Fibonacci sequence, okay, I would have to add these two together. So that's 3 plus 5. That's going to give me 8. To get the next term, I need to add the two terms before it. So that would be 5 plus 8. That's going to give us 13. Okay. In order to get this term now, okay, I need to add these two together. Okay. If you're struggling adding, okay, you can do little column method. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, and 21. So our next term is 21, and so forth. Okay, don't be afraid to write your workings out and show them. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Okay, so this is question 2 on your worksheet. You've been given the first 4 terms in a Fibonacci style sequence. This one that we done at the beginning, that is the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so a Fibonacci style sequence just follows the same rule. So having a look over here, we've got 2, 3, 5, and 8. Okay, so in order to find the next term in the sequence, I have to add these two together. Okay, and if you have a look, it is actually the same thing that's going on up there. So I've got 5 plus 8, and that's going to give me 13. To get the next term, I'm going to have to add 8 and 13, which is going to give me 21. We've just done that. Okay, to get the next term, I'm going to have to add these two together, so that'll be 13 at 21. So write 13 and 21. Okay, do your little column method, 3, 4, 2, 3, so that's 34. Next term, I would have to add the two terms in front of it, so that would be 21 at 34. Again, don't be afraid to show your workings. 21 at 34, 4, 5, and 5, so that would be 55, and so forth. Okay. The last question, which is question B in number 2, okay, again, it'll follow the same rule, different numbers. So the next term, we have to add these two terms together to get it. So that's 4 add 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 add 4 is going to give you 11. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, I'm not sure what I was doing earlier there. Okay, in order to get this term, okay, the next term, I have to add the two terms in front of it. So that'll be 7, add 11, and that's going to give us 18. Okay, next term, again, we add the two terms in front of it. So that'll be 11, add 18. Okay, so that's going to give you 29. Again, don't be afraid to do your column addition. Okay, 8 add 1 is 9, and then I've got 2, so that's 29. Sorry, I'm not sure that you could see that, and so forth. Give the other questions another try. Use your column method. I've seen you use it in class. You are good at that. Okay, give that activity another go. Okay, thanks. Good luck. Let me know how you get on.